In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed a PDF file in Elementor WordPress. Okay, so this is a page made with Elementor, and you see that I've embedded a PDF file over here. Okay, so you can see that there are the controls at the bottom. You see that it got 15 pages. Okay, and if you click over here, you get the option to you see option to browse the pages or navigate pages. Okay, and you got the option to zoom over here. You see, you can use your mouse cursor to go up and down. Okay, and then you can zoom out and you can make it full screen. Okay, just like this one. Okay, so that it's easier to read. Okay, maybe I'll zoom it a bit. Okay, okay, great. And other options that you get is to share the PDF link to this page which contains the PDF. Okay, and you got the option to download the PDF file and a single page mode. Okay, and other options you get is double page mode. Okay, over here that it's double page now. Okay, so you can see it in double page, and go to first page, go to last page, and also turn off sound. Okay, great. So let me show you how you can embed a file like this over here. So let me come over here and let me go to the dashboard. First, going to the dashboard. So if you're starting from scratch, what you need to do first is go to plugins and add new, and then you just write down embed PDF. Okay, embed PDF, and okay, you get this option. So this is the dear flip plugin, and it got this a PDF and flipbook or 3D book plugin, and it got 100,000 active installation and 108 5-star reviews. Okay, so it's compatible with my WordPress site, so I installed it and then activated it. Okay, then what you need to do, you need to go over here, flip books, all books. Okay, over here you can see all the PDFs I've added. So I will add a new PDF. I'm going to add a new PDF book. Okay, so over here I have another PDF file, so I can name it large diameter, large, large diameter. Okay, publish it. Okay, great. And then book source will be PDF file. I also got the option to upload images, but I will keep it PDF, and then select PDF. Okay, over upload it. So this is the PDF, large diameter. Great. Send to dflip. Great. And PDF thumbnail image, for at the moment no need for this. Okay, general layout, you come over here. If you don't understand this, just keep them the way they are. Okay, over here you can change the background color over here, which is, you see, this is the background color of the PDFs. Okay, and let me just see. Okay, great. And these are other options. Okay, so just keep them the way they are. Okay, just keep them the way they are and update it. Okay, so click on update, and then over here you get the shortcode. Okay, embed shortcode over here to. Okay, then what you need to do, go to pages. You might make a new page for it. Okay, I will click over here and make a page for this. I'll just name it. Okay, then publish this page. You can also save it as draft. Okay, then edit with Elementor. Okay, it's loaded. Okay, then what you need to do, you need to click on this flexbox container over here. Then you need to add element called short code. Okay, just add it over here. Then you need to paste the shortcode which I have copied uh, from, let me see, what did I copy? Okay, that I copied a bit ago, while ago. Okay, Just paste the shortcode. Okay, great. Shortcode pasted. Then update it. So you see that it is already loading the PDF. Okay. So the PDF has loaded. If the PDF file is a bit large, then it will take a bit of time. Okay. So you see the PDF is already loaded. Okay. I can preview this. Okay, let it load. We go to the dashboard first. Okay, it's loading. Okay, almost loaded. Okay, if I go to 𝗵𝗲𝗶𝗃𝗃 books. Okay, it's loading. Maybe the PDF file is a bit large, so that it's taking a bit of time. So it's loading 27%. Sorry, my internet connection is a bit slow at the moment. Let me pause and try to use another connection and see if it loads. Okay, so I finally managed to load this PDF. There was an issue with my network connection. I changed it and now it's working. So you see that I've embedded the PDF file, new PDF file which I showed. Okay, you see that it's working fine right now. Okay, okay, great. So this is the one length, or sorry, large diameter. Let- Okay, great. And where's the page? This is the page, large diameter. Then link in a new tab. Okay, and in case you would like this to be a vertical scroll instead of system like this arrows, okay, what you can do is that you come over here, then you go to layout and your type vertical leader, okay, vertical reader, and you save the changes. Okay, great. And if I reload it, okay, so okay, yes. Okay, so if I reload it, then you see that it becomes vertical. It becomes vertical like just like this. You just need to scroll with your mouse wheel, and will keep on scrolling down. Okay, then you can also zoom just like this. Okay, then you can zoom and just use your mouse wheel to scroll up and down. Okay, and you can also use this one. This is navigation. Okay, page 2, page 3, page 5. Okay, great. So this is how you embed a PDF file in Elementor WordPress. So I hope that this video has you found this video useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.